Congratulations on going solar. I'm Bodhi and I'll be helping your project manager ensure that your experience going solar meets your expectations. As the engineering team works diligently to design and install your solar system, I'll be sending you notifications to keep you updated through every step of the process. So what's happening now and what's about to happen isn't a mystery. If you ever have a question, just send us a quick note. We'll get back to you with the right answers. You'll also be able to see all your project details, from photos to system specifications and important documents, all at the tap of your fingers. Once the system is powered up, I'll help you monitor your solar production and how much you're saving. I'll even alert you and your service manager if there's ever a problem. And finally, don't forget to explore your neighborhood. See who has solar and who doesn't, and invite them to your community of forward-thinking energy consumers.